Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Sorcery Roblox domain expansion. Let's begin. So there are a few things that you need to keep in mind. So first thing is that you need to be on level 90 or 150 to be able to meditate. Now once you've gotten the meditate ability, you will then be able to get the key which you can use in that tunnel to unlock the gate. And if you want to meditate, you are going to press M. Once you're done meditating, you are going to get the key and you're going to use it in the tunnel over there. Now, if you want the domain expansion, then you are going to talk to a character called Yuki. She has the ability to give you that power. Now, in order to get that ability, you are going to go to Yuki and give her 500 essence, and then she will give it to you, and then you'll be able to get the domain expansion. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.